And we're live.
Oh, we're live here on Damon Tamed. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Damon Tamed. If you've seen my recent videos, you know that I am on an abandoned place exploring train. Today, we have arrived at the Jordan River Abandoned Power Plant. We are at building number 1, so let's check it out. Man, I don't know what it is. There's just something about an abandoned place. It just gets me going. All right, building number 1 is a skate park. I don't think it was always a skate park, but it is now a skate park. For those of you that are into skateboarding, I'm thinking that maybe you want to bring your skateboard here. Max, why did you forget your skateboard?
Oh, I didn't know, man.
If only you had known, you could do some cool ollies and kickflips in here. Look at this.
It in the car, sorry.
Oh.
It is Oprah.
Oprah! Oprah! I found you. Is this where you hide out? We found your secret hiding place. Okay, so we have finished exploring the skate park, and now off in the distance we can see the plant. Oh, it's kind of cool. Ooh, it's creepy. You guys, this place is really cool. It's really cool. Whoa. Wow. 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 My drone in here. Alrighty guys, that is all for today's video exploring this amazing abandoned power plant here in Jordan River. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out so you don't miss my next upload. I'll see you guys next time.